SEBI report being filed in the Supreme Court on the investigations into Hindenburg claims, this is just terrible timing. Absolutely terrible timing that the Adani Ports news comes, the Deloitte exiting Adani Ports, and 48 hours before
but, you know,
the
come to think of it,
reporters.
Krishna, this could also alter Adani's fortunes if that report comes in favor of Adani. And that's a big if. We don't know what's going to be a part of that report.
I'm reading market sentiment. Market sentiment, it doesn't sound like that they are expecting a clean chit from SEBI, because if they are expecting a clean chit from SEBI, you would have seen some of those stocks at least flat. Not like 4 to 5% down. What's this? Correct me if I'm wrong. Am I reading the market sentiment right?
Yes, but to Shweta's point, if the report does give it clean chit, I mean, I'm countering Avinash's point over here. This will be a good time to enter the group stocks, because you know, we have seen Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises have been one of the best performing stocks since the start of the financial year 2024. Adani Enterprises up almost 50%. So investors who missed out on that bounce back rally can take these small corrections to enter the bandwagon right now. So
okay, hold your horses for a second. I know stock market's all about buying in dips. Be it the index or be it individual stocks or sectors, it's all about buying in dips. The market man that Suyash is giving us, investment tips on what we should be investing in, because it is a dip. So all those watching the broadcast should remember that Adani stocks are on a dip right now. If you want to take a punt, it's a good time. But my question is this, what about the longer term credibility? Because that's the fear.
But SEBI report is going to be either a clean chit for the credibility of Adani Group, or it's going to further bungle up whatever's existing credibility remains. So I think it's a very crucial report, because the expert committee that was constituted by Supreme Court literally passed the buck to SEBI.
Exactly.
And let's get an Avijit into this conversation. Avijit, the SEBI report on Adani, and as we were discussing, is going to be either a clean chit for Adani Group, which is much needed at this point in time, or it's going to, perhaps give some more momentum to the already existing doubts around what Hindenburg had to say. And let's put those graphics on the screen to quickly understand what Hindenburg had claimed and what what SEBI is going to look into. Avijit.
Yeah, Shweta, absolutely. But what I feel is the market is not going to treat the SEBI report on its own and on a standalone basis. They are going to combine the Deloitte exit and the SEBI report, and then take a holistic view on the Adani, the fortunes of the group, or the credibility or their outlook on the group. So, but coming back to the SEBI report, I think there are two clear areas which the report is going to focus on. One is obviously the minimum public shareholding norms, where there has been a breach as alleged by the Hindenburg report. And the second is there is, some related party transactions. So a disclosure on that, which allegedly the group failed to do. So, and if the market gossip is to be believed, that the minimum share of public shareholding norms, SEBI is perhaps not going to find too much breach on that. But on the related party transactions, which Deloitte has already indicated in its letter, this 163-page resignation letter, I've never heard of such a voluminous resignation letter. So I think that is something that the market is there for the SEBI report, but we have to find out. And tomorrow, I think, will be the real day, the test of what the SEBI report can do or undo for the group.
All right.
Sorry, tomorrow again being a holiday. Perhaps we have to wait till Wednesday.
Yeah. Day after tomorrow would be the test of what SEBI report has not done.
Because tomorrow is a market holiday.
Tomorrow is a market holiday, but that report, of course, crucial report, is expected to come out today. We will get you all the details as and when the report is tabled, if the report is made public.
Yes.
We don't know that just as yet.